This initial solution will show you how to solve Facebook video has no sounds problem. Method 1. Make sure the video itself is not muted. There are several explanations for no volume on Facebook videos. The foremost prevalent of which is because the content was encrypted wrongly or was mute to begin with. So make sure your video sound is not mute. And the second method is make sure the device is not muted. You may not notice, but the device you are using can be mistakenly muted as well without you having any knowledge of it. For instance, you may suffer no sound on Facebook videos on your iPhone. Not because the video does not contain the song, but rather your iPhone was muted and had no volume. So make sure your iPhone isn't muted or your phone isn't muted, and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the third method is reboot your device. Oftentimes a quick reboot is all that is required to resolve certain previously undiscovered troubles. Simply switch off Facebook and reboot the smartphone or iOS. Browse Facebook once more and select a clip to broadcast to see if the no sound situation has been rectified. A reset restores the existing scenario of a program in all situations, and it can solve your no sound problem immediately. So follow these steps to solve this no sounds problem on your Facebook video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.